problem is to first define our own data structure for this board, and then write a function determines the win. Doesn't matter who win. Write a test, determine if your code works. So first, I need to make a data structure. Let's start with writing a sample board. And then determine if it's a winning stage. So there is many ways of winning the game. So let's create a way of winning. Which is objects, because so we can go with rows or column, different columns, or cross diagonal and the other diagonal. So first way of winning it is I'll start with this one. Oh, it's actually an array. The start point is 0, 0, and then the moving direction is 1, 0. So copy this structure. So it can be 1 or 2. For this one, wait, moving along x direction, that's wrong. This is 0, 0. But y can be 1, 2. This one, be 1, be 2. This moving along y direction. Right, it can be and then the last one is start with corner, and x and y they both increase. The other one is start with the bottom left corner and start with this. Now they are all the way how you can win the game. Now I need to test if 3 element is equal. So 3 element. I want to test if this element is equal. We'll return this array dot reduce function. Have a function body, initial body, because it has to be all equal, so initial one is true. Function will take previous value, current element. Yes, it will return. So each will compare every of them has to be equal. So now I'm going to compare. So every element I compare with the first one. Let me do a test. Okay, it works. Now I want to, so there are many ways of winning it. So I want to find if the board is winned by one of the way. Turbo if win by this way. Tic tac toe board this way, no, by this way of winning. So this way will take in this object from ways of winning. So one object has a start point. So I will take it this start point. So this way of winning the start point. And then moving direction to go to this way of winning that moving direction. We are gonna move, so I'm gonna count the moving counter start with 0. So because I have a function to test it, and then by moving it, we'll generate 3 elements to be tested. So let me get 3 elements to be and test it is equal to tick that or that mapping. I'm really only using this for counting, so I will say this is a useless variable. Oh, I just don't use it. Variable, so I'm going to find a location for it, so x index is equal to this start point plus moving counter times this moving direction for x. So the next one is for y, and then it will be 1. After that, moving counter plus return tick-tock board x index y index. Then I'll run the test, return if the 3 elements is equal of for the 3 element to be tested. Okay, now this is my function, detect winning. You'll take the tick board So I want to know if it's winning. If win is equal to ways, because there are many ways as far as one of them will win. Ways of winning reduce function previous value will test this way of winning. So first of all, I don't, because there can be a null. I don't want to have empty array. So if this way of winning, its start point at x. Oh, at this point, if the start point is empty, return. Oh, because we are using this reduce of failure value is false.